Gospel according to Luke chapter 2 verse 22 to 35. When the day came for the purification according to the law of Moses, they brought the baby up to Jerusalem to present him to the Lord. As it is written in the law of the Lord, every firstborn shall be consecrated to God, and they offered a sacrifice as ordered in the law of the Lord, a pair of turtle doves or 2 young pigeons. There lived in Jerusalem at this time a very upright and devout man named Simeon. The Holy Spirit was in him. He looked forward to the time when the Lord would comfort Israel, as he had been assured by the Holy Spirit that he would not die before seeing the Messiah of the Lord. So he was led into the temple by the Holy Spirit at the time the parents brought the child Jesus to do for him according to the custom of the law. Simeon took the child in his arms and blessed God, saying, "Now, O Lord, you can dismiss your servant in peace, for you have fulfilled your word, and my eyes have seen your salvation, which you display for all the people to see, a light for revelation to the Gentiles and the glory of your people Israel." His father and mother wondered at what was said about the child. Simeon blessed them and said to Mary his mother, "Look, this child is destined to cause the rise and fall of many in Israel. He will be a sign that will be spoken against, so that the secret thoughts of many hearts will be revealed. As for you, a sword shall pierce your heart too." This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.